Since COVID, we've had such a huge disconnect between the parents being able to come to the school, knowing what's going on in school. And so we've tried really hard this year to sort of revive that, get parents back in the building so that they know, like, you're not here during the day, we understand that, but at night, because it is a choice, it is an option, we can come in, you get to see what your kids are working on, the hallways, the work display, you get to interact with your children. We have math activities, science activities, some nights are focused on reading, and so this month is science, and so thanks to the Google grant, we were able to bring in Mr. Science. He was here during the day, so the students who aren't able to come back tonight still got the benefit of being a part of the experiments that he showed them and explained how they worked. There was a lot of science content worked into his presentations today, but then he's going to be here tonight, and what's really great about him is that he is able to focus his attention on adults. He did a little bit of that today, bringing the teachers in, getting them excited and involved, so his focus tonight is going to be getting those parents to be part of the experiments with their children, just so that it's fun and their parents can see, like, this is what they're learning about and this is stuff we can talk about when we get home. I just think that makes kids more productive and more involved and engaged in learning at school because they know their parents care about it and want to hear about it when they get home and understand that learning is important and it's something that, you know, they need to be involved in all the time.